Hi, I'm Ghanashyam. I'm a Krishna monk based in Sydney. We have been studying and sharing the knowledge of different Bhakti Yoga texts for close to 15 years now. This is our first humble attempt to reach out to all of you through this online medium. We plan to make and share one video with you every week. We hope you like it. If even a few of you find the knowledge in these videos beneficial in your lives, we'll consider this project a great success. One of my friends recently asked me an interesting question. Do plants and animals have souls? Now, before we delve more into this topic, let's take a step back and understand what a soul actually is. The ancient yoga text called the Bhagavad Gita explains the soul as the driving force within this body. All of us have this physical body which changes at different stages in life. However, the soul as the driving force doesn't change at all. It is eternal, everlasting, and deathless. Take a look at this interesting illustration. We call this the changing bodies picture. A baby is born, it crawls after some time, becomes a toddler, a young boy, a teenager, a young man, a middle-aged man, an old man, a diseased man, and finally, a dead man. If you observe this picture carefully, you will notice two things. One is that the body keeps changing throughout his life, from birth all the way to death. And secondly, the soul depicted as the spark within this body doesn't change at all. In fact, even at death, the soul retains its original glory and moves on to next life. So the soul is eternal, everlasting, and deathless. Now with that background knowledge, let's go back to our original question. Do plants and animals have souls? Yes, they do. Can we see those souls? Well, there is one little problem in that. The soul is very, very tiny in size. In fact, the size of the soul is mentioned as 1/10,000th part of tip of our hair. Imagine you take a strand of hair and cut its tip into 10,000 pieces. You take one of those 10,000 pieces. That is the size of soul. Incredibly tiny in size. Now, even though the soul is very, very small and we can't see it, we can still observe the presence of soul through its symptoms. Just like an X-ray. You can't see the X-ray, however, we can observe the presence of X-ray by passing it through an object and capturing its effect in a sheet. Similarly, even though the soul is very tiny in size and we can't see it, we can still observe its presence by two symptoms, growth and consciousness. Do plants grow? Yes, they do. Do they have consciousness? Yes, they do. May not be fully developed as in humans, but plants do have consciousness. In fact, it is only due to this consciousness do the plants grow towards light or towards water. So plants have growth and plants have consciousness. Observing these two symptoms, we can conclude that plants have souls. Now, what about animals? Do they grow? Yes, they do. Do they have consciousness? Of course they do. So observing these two symptoms, we can naturally conclude that animals also have souls in them. Now we can extend this understanding to different species of life, be it aquatics, birds, insects, reptiles, plants, animals, and to all other species. As long as we observe growth and consciousness in them, we can safely conclude that there are souls in them. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. We'll see you in a week's time. Meanwhile, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website. The link for that will shortly appear in this video. Have a great time. Hare Krishna.